Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and today I will be directing you on how to add music to Facebook story with multiple photos. So first, you will need to make sure that your Facebook is installed, and now click on your Facebook app, and here you will be in this page. So you just need to click on the plus sign at the top beside the search icon. Now you will need to click on the story right there. So in order to post multiple photos, you will need to select multiple box right there, and now you will be able to select multiple. So just go ahead and select the photos you want and click on next. So it will ask you if you want to post as separate, photo collage, or clip mashup. So you'll just need to click on photo collage. So it will show you these two preferences. You can now arrange it a little bit. So for the music, you will need to click on this icon right there, music icon, and you will need to select music for that, or you can just go to your saved music and select music from there, or you can also search for music. So you can also change how you want the song to the music to be shown. So right here you will need to click on the circle below the two A's right there, and you will see it's the music that you chose earlier. You can choose in which duration you want the song to show, and you can also select how you want it to be displayed. Like, there are several options. There are also lyrics there. There are also these songs with the artist name on it. Just click on done when you have it. So after that, you can just post it, or you can also go back and discard the story. So it will also show you this same option where you can separate the stories. So in this, you will see that you have now two stories. If you click on edit, you will be editing the first photo, and in order to post both of these photos, you will need to edit both of this. So just like the previous one, you will need to click on music and search for some music, select them and post it. And these are the ways you can add music to your Facebook story with multiple photos. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.